Welcome back to our podcast. Myself, Dr. Swasthi Budolia. Today's topic is one-sided disease. Average number 172 to 184. Now, 172. One-sided diseases and imperfect selection of similarium. Now, disease with too few symptoms, difficult to cure. 173. Definition of one-sided diseases. They belong to chiefly to the class of chronic disease. After number 174. Classification of one-sided diseases. Internal one-sided or external one-sided, also called external one-sided, also called local maladies. Average number 175. One-sided disease with internal complaint. Internal one-sided diseases may often be due to lack of observation by the physician. Average number 176. Careful initial examination of one-sided diseases. Even after careful examination, there remains few cases are one-sided. Average number 177. Selection of medicine in internal one-sided diseases. This type of cases are very rare. Medicine must be selected on the basis of these few symptoms. Average number 178. Effect of medicine or cure. The selected medicine in some cases perform a cure if the few symptoms are characteristics. Average number 179. Effect of medicine to recovery. Most of the time selected medicine will be partially similar. Average number 180. Appearance of accessory symptoms of natural diseases. Accessory symptoms of diseases and several phenomena. Average number 181. Accessory symptoms due to medicine. Accessory phenomena belong to medicinal as well as disease. Footnote: when they are not caused by alteration in regimen and violent emotion, menses, conception, childbirth, etc. Now, 182. Discovery of remedy. The imperfect selection produce accessory symptoms which serve the complete the picture and facilitate in the selection of more suitable homeopathic remedy. Now, average number 182. What to do? 83. What to do when the action of first dose is ceases or not demand any acute aid? A fresh examination of status morbi is done for the selection of suitable homeopathic remedy. Footnote: in acute cases where patient's symptoms are very indistinct, their opium will bring direction. Now, average number 184. Continue as previous till complete cure. In the like manner, after each new dose of medicine has exhausted its action and no longer helpful, a few medicine to be selected till the end is cured. Thank you.